TZM Rod is an alloy bar made of titanium, zirconium, and molybdenum material after powder metallurgy processing. With high strength, high corrosion resistance, high temperature oxidation resistance, good electrical and thermal conductivity, low thermal expansion coefficient, good welding performance and long service life, and other advantages. TZM rod is a common component in harsh environments such as high temperature and pressure and can be widely used in aerospace, marine, chemical, medical equipment, nuclear industry, and other fields. TZM alloy is a kind of high-temperature alloy, and the commonly used preparation methods are mainly powder metallurgy and arc casting. Compared with the electric arc preparation method, manufacturing TZM bars by powder metallurgy process can save the output cost of large equipment such as electric arc furnace, extruder, and high-temperature furnace and improve the production efficiency and quality.